a gradient background here. I've selected a square size here. Double tap the background. Go to gradient. Make sure you click gradient so you can see all the options here. Go to gradient. Here, I want to change the colors. If you see, I have two colors here, black and white. Let's say I'm changing this color to blue. And if you see right now, it's giving this blue and white. Let's say I want to change this white to pink. Click OK. Make sure you click this OK, and then you have to click this OK. Now, if you see, we have created a gradient background here. I can change the style from here. Also, I can change the angle. Also, you have different blend options. You have scale. You can try and experiment with different size and see which type of gradient you feel that it should be good for you for the document you're creating. And yes, click on OK. Here you have gradient background. Let's say if you want to use the same on a text, let's say I'm writing same, double tap, go to gradient. Let's say I'm changing this color to green here, and I'm changing this pink to black here. So if you see, there is a bit gradient, and then definitely you can change the angles. You can work with opacity, you can work with the scale, etc. That's how you can give gradient to either background, text, or any object you have here. You can do gradient.